Pretty refreshing here. Oh my goodness, this line is long. I'm wet, totally wet. So, check-in done, and now I'm walking here on the street in Lauterbrunnen. Pretty insane view, right? One of the best views you can get in the town. That's what I call a great skyline. I'm now almost here at Staubbach Fall. Why this Staubbach Fall is so famous, you can see here when I turn around the camera. So I will now hike up to the top of the waterfall. Short workout today. And this is Lauterbrunnen. Let's see what we can find. For me, really one of the most impressive waterfalls in Switzerland. After Forolio yesterday, this is Lauterbrunnen. So I was just talking with some younger couple, younger family from Luzon, Philippines. Finally I can use my Tagalog, even it's in Switzerland. I just arrived with the bus at Trümmelbach Falls. It's near Stechelberg, I think is the right description here of the place. You have a bus stop called Trümmelbach Falls, so it's pretty easy to find, and I will go and explore the waterfalls now before we will hike back to Lauterbrunnen, crossing the street. Now we have to walk up and 4 falls to go here on the top. Let's see. Pretty refreshing here. So I wear my rain jacket now. Pretty spectacular view here, and I hope you still get my voice now, as the whole camera got wet inside, but it was worth it. Bring always something what keeps you dry, and don't bring an umbrella. Doesn't work here, believe me. So we are done. We saw everything. I'm wet, totally wet. This is definitely worth to visit. Give it a go. Visit Trümmelbach Falls near Lauterbrunnen. And now let's walk back to Lauterbrunnen through the valley of 72 waterfalls. Oh my goodness, this line is long. This line for queuing up is long. Look at this. A good recommendation, if you go to the Trümmelbach Falls, be early, otherwise you queue up like this. So I'm here now in Stechelberg. You see here, actually I don't even know if it's a town. It's really small, but I'm walking now back to Lauterbrunnen. It's like 6 kilometers. Should take me 1.5 hours max. Let's go. So I'm back at Staubbach Fall here in Lauterbrunnen. The whole hike took me now around 85 minutes, but I was filming a lot. I was walking pretty slow. I'm not even sweating really. The valley has 72 waterfalls. We saw a lot of them today. The two most impressive ones, of course, were Trümmelbach Falls, which we visited this morning, and Staubbach Fall, which is here behind me, which we visited yesterday together. Tomorrow we will go to the mountains. Until then, see you tomorrow.